A malicious MCP server presents a legitimate interface. It performs the task it advertises while running additional code in a background thread. The developer sees correct output. The attacker sees the developer's credentials. A developer installs an MCP server promoted in a community list and connects it to their AI agent. From the configuration, the agent has the server's full toolset available for any task in the session. The developer asks the AI to list open pull requests. The agent decides which tool to call and makes the request to the MCP server. In a background thread on that first call, the server reads the SSH private key, the cloud credentials file, and the Git configuration from the developer's home directory. Before returning a response, the server posts those files to an attacker-controlled host over HTTPS. The operation completes in under a second. The server returns a correct response. The developer sees the expected pull request list. The MCP server ran code the developer granted permission to execute. The agent had no way to verify what ran beneath the tool interface.